kitchen waste, and these compost bring more life to the soil. They are food for the microorganisms and the worms and all the life that is within the soil. That is the main difference between organic and conventional agriculture. In organic agriculture and organic gardening, the nutrients of the plants must come from organic sources, whether it's from animal manure or composted plant waste or from natural nitrogen fixation. That is a real miracle of nature, the ability of bacteria that are living in roots of the leguminous plants like clover and peas and beans are able to fix nitrogen from the air, and this is one central theme in organic agriculture. The basic principle is that you should have at least, let's say, 30%, preferably up to 50% of the farm each year should be under green manure. That means growing clover mixed with hay that can then later be either fed to the animals or then composted.
We'll go out for a breath of fresh air and be right back with more on organic farms in Finland. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. This is Planet Earth, our loving home. Loving viewers, thank you for joining us again for Planet Earth, our loving home, featuring organic farms in Finland. Biodynamic farming is a specific type of organic farming. Biodynamic agriculture treats soil, plants, animals, and the ecology as a unified organic whole. Austrian philosopher and spiritualist Rudolf Steiner first coined the term biodynamic farming in the 1920s. He saw farming as a series of work projects to keep up with the cosmic calendar, which he called the breath of the earth. He invented the method of using 9 preparations to apply to the soil, plants, and compost. These preparations serve as both nourishment and medicine for the soil, plants, and in certain ways, human beings. Rudolf Steiner's 9 biodynamic preparations are made of special organisms such as yarrow, chamomile, dandelion or valerian flowers, stinging nettle or oak bark. Not only are the farms self-sufficient, but they also offer visitors an opportunity to enjoy the fresh products.
Here on Ludby Farm we also try to make it possible for visitors to come and buy products directly from the farm. Here, for example, is our own garlic and tomatoes, fresh food, which is very much a different thing than eating food that has been stored for long periods of time in shops or warehouses. And then we have, for example, beans and peas and pasta and tomato concentrates, as well as ecological detergents and other substances for cleaning. And we have ecological coffee and many other organic products in our shop at Ludby.
Nothing is more telling about the exquisite quality of Finnish flora than the herbs in the gardens of the Ludby Biodynamic Farm. The process of transforming herbs into tea embodies both the love of nature and the essence of Finnish flora.
So our the organic herb products that we make here at our processed here in this room. We work by hand really with the herbs, so basically we make different kinds of mixtures of herbs for spices and for tea, and of course what we are aiming for there is, besides just good taste, we want to make products that are healthy for people who use them. One very good medicinal herb that can be grown almost anywhere in the world is calendula. It's this orange flower. It is perfect for all kinds of infections, and we use it in many of our tea products as one ingredient. Calendula can also be made into creams and many kinds of medicinal products. Anise hyssop has purple flowers, and the taste is of anise or licorice. It has a little bit similar taste actually to the star anise, which is a familiar herb from Eastern cooking. We grow the herbs on our farm, but we also buy them from elsewhere. And for example, this star anise that we are using is organically grown in Vietnam. It's a great thing that organic agriculture is spreading around the world, and we want to also, through our small part, help that by buying products from those people who grow them in other countries also.
The artistic herbal tea bags express nature's very own creative spirit. As our journey approaches its end today, we would like to thank all the organic and biodynamic farmers in Finland and worldwide for their dedicated efforts in preserving a science that is helpful in preserving our planetary home. Thank you, kind viewers, for joining us for Planet Earth, Our Loving Home. Our show airs every Wednesday on Supreme Master Television. Up next is enlightening entertainment right after noteworthy news. So long till next time.